No, and it doesn't look, the thing looks really symmetrical. Like, I mean, it doesn't look like, I was afraid it might look a little bit higher, too high, but it doesn't.
Well, Mark and Tim enjoying the fruits of their Father's Day labor. My little kitchenette is coming together. Still roughed in, but I am excited. And my honey Mark, who has lots to do but is taking time to put my cupboard together.
Hey everyone, we're just digging a post hole at the moment. Oh, I can't see. There you go. Hey guys, so here we are sharpening the end of this, and we're using it to break rocks in the ground for digging the post. As you can see there, we got a beautiful end point, and that is going to bust some rocks.
We found this cool thing that creates hot water instantly from propane. So we've installed this on the back of our outhouse.
Hey everyone, so here we are digging a hole, temporary hole for, I believe, the water. Hey, so got Chris here, my bro.
He's planing all of these pieces of trim, and that's pretty close to where it'll be. And now he's running it through the table saw.
The planer is this thing here, so you were sending them all through there?
Yeah, we were shortening them to all be the same size and to look nice and pretty. And so now we're just doing it the same thing to the edging and making sure that they're both parallel as well.
Cool. And this is wood from our forest.
Making it all nice and pretty for the exterior of the windows and the doors. Hey, so today I am working on all of these little tiny, you can see I made while cutting it, just some little marks, and so we're sanding it down. And now, as you can see, it's not there anymore. Both edges on all of this wood. See how long it takes. Well, took longer than expected, but I finished them all, and I'm so happy because my hands and tendons or nerves or whatever, like when I touch my fingers, they vibrate because of the machine running for so long. But yeah, they're all done, looking good, and now we just need to chop it up.